Moko kuom jotelo koro dwaro mondo kaw ndamo mager mar chik ne apisas mago makwayo jogo moroch ratich gi asoya. Kane giloso romo mar loch gwenge madhi nyime e boma ma Homa Bay, Gavana ma Elgeyo Marakwet Wesley Ratich olero ni buche mag rocho ratich nyithindo osebedo kod medruok ahinya te kauntis mitime pith jamni. Kaluwore gi jata tije madul mochune tuoche malandore Douglas Bosire, nitie dwaro ma jotelo kod riwruoge mopogore opogore riwo lwedo matieko iye mohiu kod tiego oganda e wi yore magayo kute mag ayaki.
We have ensured that P3 forms that are filled in our hospitals are not charged completely, so that any survivor comes, he gets redress, and they can use that as a justice form. And therefore, we have seen the cases going down in my county, because now culture of impunity is not encouraged and kangaroo courts are not encouraged.
It is an issue that's affecting our adolescents who are aged between the age of 10 years to 19 years, and even the youth. Because many of them, because of teenage pregnancy, they are dropping out of school. Every year in our country, more than 300,000 girls below the age of 18 years get pregnant.
Tumekuja pamoja na washikadau wote, wafadhili, wananchi, wa mapadre, mmeona sheikh hapa leo, ndio tuzungumze na tuelewane namna gani tunaweza yamaliza haya maneno. Sababu tuna hakika kwamba tukikuja pamoja sisi ndio tuko na majawabu.